Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh!
You can't do it. No, let go.
What's up, K&R Squad? It's your boy Reafe, and I'm back again with another banger for your head top. More fire. Today's video is about to be so funny. I'm talking about y'all about to laugh. If you have a drink or water in your hand and it's in your mouth, you gonna spit it out. So listen, I recently seen this video from my boy Shane over at the Loyal family. So shout out to my boy Shane for coming up with this idea, because this video is super lit. I'm gonna be working out, but while I'm working out, I'm gonna be making strange noises. I'm talking about I'm gonna be making a bunch of like a bunch of stuff to see Kristen's reaction. So she's actually upstairs. I'm gonna be making loud noises. I'm gonna be like, baby, I need your help. Come spot me. And while she's spotting me, or while she comes downstairs, I'm gonna be making the weirdest noises like I'm struggling. If y'all ready for this video, go smash the like button right now. Hit the subscribe button. Follow us on all our social media. Most important, get ready to comment below Team R, because it's about to be super funny. Stay tuned for the banger. Let's get it.
What if I put a ring on you? What if I put a ring on you? Right now, don't let me wait for you. You know that my love is true. Something about the way you move, I wanna escape with you. The way that you touching my body, I know it, I know it. You making me wanna get down on one knee and propose it. So I told her right now, we should go ahead and get married right now.
Like, I know y'all know, but for those who go to the gym, sometimes you got those big hefty guys that be in the gym making hella noise, fam. Like, yo, I'm gonna put on some lightweight. That's what gonna make it even funnier. I'm gonna put on some very lightweight, and Chris gonna be like, wait, this is not even heavy. Why are you acting like that? Yep. Come downstairs for a minute.
What?
I just need your help real quick.
I'm just making your tea. What do you need help with?
I need help with that spot. I need you to help me spot. I need you to spot me.
Okay. Give me a
I
second,
just come.
okay?
Alright. Alright, cool.
Goodbye.
Ah! Ah! Oh! Blah! Blah, blah, blah. Ah!
Oh, are you good? I'm making my tea, but I hear you.
What?
Are you fine?
Yeah.
So what do you need to... Why do you sound like you're giving birth? Hello? If it's too heavy for you, don't do it.
It's not heavy.
So what do you need me to spot you for? This is
Not this.
This is pretty heavy.
No. I need you to help me with this. Woo!
So why do you gotta...
Hey, what's wrong with you? You just came out here on a bad vibe. Chill.
Well, no,
Okay,
I
come
feel
help me with
sick,
this.
so I'm making a tea, but I hear you going crazy.
How do you hear me going crazy? You can't even hear me.
Reafe, you sound like a baby giraffe.
Just get ready to spot me.
Oh my god.
Move your hand.
Okay.
Move your hand.
This is clearly too heavy for you.
Stop.
Okay, that's good. You're good. Listen.
What's your problem?
You have nobody to impress. press, so you don't have to.
I ain't pressing nobody. I'm just warming up, girl.
He needs some milk.
Warming up. What you talking about?
Okay,
What I'm saying?
I'm gonna make my.
Oh!
Hello. No. You
Listen.
sound
Just
like
relax,
you're
bro.
struggling, man.
That's just, I'm just expressing myself. When you do that, you release the inner you. I'm telling you.
That's the inner you.
That's what they do in the gym.
So you're a hyena?
Bumblecard.
Because you sound like
What are you
that.
talking about? That's what. Have you never been in the gym with a big hefty man?
Yeah, but nobody.
That's how they release their thing so that they have strength to push more. Like you know when. Oh!
No.
Yeah.
No.
Come on.
If you were in the gym doing that, they'd laugh at you. Okay, wait, don't start until I make my tea. I really need this tea. It's vitamin C. Just give me
All
a
right,
second.
hurry up, man.
Like,
Come on, girl. I need you.
and seriously, don't start until I come back. because
Okay,
you're struggling.
I need you. Hurry up. Let's go! Woo!
If you drink vitamin C, you probably have more power. To be honest with you, you want to sip?
No, I'm gonna need you to put that down though. I need you to
Huh?
help me on my pull-ups.
But what then?
The tea.
Oh, okay, 1 second. I didn't get a sip yet. Like,
Okay.
hold on.
You don't need a sip.
It's probably so hot.
You're
right now.
messing up my mental. Let's
Yeah,
go.
but you know I feel sick today.
Baby, can you just... Oh my days.
Woo!
Come on. I need that. I gotta get my pump.
Okay,
Alright.
what am I doing?
Come here. I'm gonna need your help. So when I'm pulling up, I'm gonna need you to basically guide my waist if I can't get it. Alright? Ready?
Yeah.
What, you gonna pull my shorts?
I didn't know what to do. I was like, what the
Just
hell?
hold my
You're making
waist.
me sound like.
Come on.
Ah! You can't do it.
Come on, come on. Hold on, hold on.
No. Let go. Breathe.
Hold on.
What are you
One more.
Your,
Come on.
your arms are gonna fall off.
Can you relax?
You relax.
I need
Do you know
you-
what you sound like right now?
Oh my, that's because it's giving me an extra pump. Do you not listen?
No.
Just listen to me.
It sounds like.
Oh
you're-
my, are you gonna listen? I just need you to help me. I don't need you to say nothing more. Just help me push. Come
You
on.
sound like a burning lobster. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Oh my days.
Go.
Yes.
No.
Woo!
No, you can't. You can't.
Ah, all right, babe. One more.
Don't you think you should take it slow? You haven't worked out in a minute.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm doing supersets. You know
Supersets?
superset? Yeah.
But what I'm telling you is I don't think you're capable.
Okay, just put this on my back. Come on. Can you put this on my back, please?
I don't get it. Is it too heavy for you, or are
No, I'm just expressing my inner strength. Come on. It's not heavy at all. This
Listen,
is.
I don't want to be the reason for you dead down here in the gym.
You're killing the superset. I have a certain amount of seconds. I gotta jump into it. Let's go.
What do you want me to do?
Put it on my back.
Are you sure?
Yes. In the middle. Alright. Alright.
Be careful.
Just tell me my form is. Let me know if my form is good.
What was
Alright.
your form supposed to
Like
be?
this. Like this.
Okay. No, it's wrong. Stop doing that. Reafe,
Oh yes. Woo!
are you trying to scare me?
You shouldn't have took it off. I needed 3 more.
So why are you sounding like that? It literally sounds like you're struggling.
No.
If you want more power in the gym,
Listen.
you breathe.
I am
You don't-
breathing. That's what. Okay, I was watching a workout guy.
Okay.
He's super cut, and every time he goes down and back up, That's what he does.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
You have to show me because I don't believe you.
I'll pull it up later. Put it back on my back. Let's go.
He needs some milk.
No? Alright, whatever. And then he does this when he does this one.
I'm gonna let you do what you're doing because it doesn't
You
make
need to
sense.
try that.
No,
Try that.
I would never do that.
Just
I
try
feel
it.
like that would take a more.
Alright, come right here. Come right here and try it. Lay down and try it. Just try it. Because you know how you can't do a push-up like really well? Like 10? That will help you because like your mind gets to like a different place. I'm telling you.
No, this is what you sound like. If you saw me, if you
Let me
listen,
see.
let's just put it like this. If you saw a random girl in the gym,
Okay?
she's working out and she sounds like this. Tell me what you're gonna say, okay?
Yeah. Let's get it!
Nobody does that. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, they do. Where have you been?
I've been.
It's 2021. That's what they're doing in the gym.
No. It sounds to me like it doesn't know if you're trying to something or work out.
And when they grab this, right? You see them, they go like this and they go. Yeah, I'm telling you.
I've never seen that.
I'm telling you.
Mm-mm.
And then they go, when they go like this, they use the kettlebells, they go, oh!
Okay. You legit sound like a horse.
Oh!
No. You know what the horse go like? Okay.
Oh! Yeah!
Okay, you're being annoying now. So here you go.
Oh!
Bye.
You see what I'm saying? Come on, let's work those quads. Let's work those glutes.
But do you actually need me?
Yeah. Need your support again.
For what?
For these.
I don't believe you.
For the abs. Why? Whew.
Cause it's,
In like 30 seconds?
I asked you if it's too heavy. You said no.
30 seconds?
Reese,
I'ma eat.
this is just 25 pounds. You know that, right?
Yeah, that's light.
Yeah, so then you don't have to act like that.
Act like what?
Like you're dying.
Baby, relax. Watch out. I'm not dying.
Oh my god.
Watch out, watch out. I'm not dying.
Do these ones where you pull it up. Because I know you want to work on your arms. And just don't make that noise because you're scaring me.
You ain't in the gym, that's why. Your mind is not in the gym.
Okay, go.
So you don't have the mindset
Go.
that you need.
I do.
You have to be behind me. Just in case.
Yeah.
Alright, you got me?
Yeah.
You sure?
What's the leg? You don't do that.
It's a new thing.
It's not. Yeah. Okay.
Come on! This is baby weight for me. Let's put heavier weights on.
No. No. This is good enough for you right now. This is all you can handle. This is baby weight and it's good for you, to be honest, because you sound like a crow, like a horse, like.
Alright. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Yes, I do.
Alright.
You don't know what you're doing.
Alright, just guide me.
If you saw this on a gym channel, I don't know.
Alright, just
You got
guide me there.
issues. Like.
Just guide me there. You ready?
Okay. Yes.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh! Guide me, baby.
Guide what though?
You ready?
I don't know what you're. I can't tell if you're struggling or being a.
What? Come on. What are you saying right now?
Okay, you told me to guide you.
Yes.
But I'm saying I don't know how to guide you if I don't know if you're struggling or not.
Why would I be struggling?
Because you sound like you are.
Just calm down, okay? Mwah. That's what this makes me get to the next level. I'm trying to build. I'm trying to build before the summer. You feel me?
I don't understand. So when we work out together, this is what you're gonna do?
Yeah, it's a new thing.
And I don't want to work out with you because that's annoying.
Really?
Really. Like, I will turn the music up all the way.
Oh my God!
Come on.
Yeah, because I don't want to hear that.
Alright.
No.
That's how you get more.
Reafe,
Come on,
stop.
come on. What are you talking
Seriously,
about?
Stop.
He needs some milk.
Baby!
No.
Chill,
it's
come
not
here.
funny, seriously.
Alright, come. I'm just pranking.
Sorry, you're what? You want to say that again?
I'm just pranking you. Let me get some of that.
No.
Let me get some tea.
No. I was about to spill it on you.
I would die.
No, you couldn't.
Yes,
You
sir.
thought that you were dying doing that. It's hot.
Woo!
That's a really stupid prank.
Tastes bitter.
No, for real. No, for real. That was so annoying. I was like, if he's working out, he's gonna work out by himself the entire time. Like, I'm never coming down here to do this with him, ever.
We should go ahead and get married. We should go ahead and get married. I don't wanna put a rush on you. Hope I ain't putting too much on you. Way more than a crush on you. And you love it when I touch on you. You often wine, take time, but